Hey gang, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am currently in my kitchen right now because I'm about to go onto the balcony and create an absolute madness. I'm going to be painting something really special for my own bedroom. It's going to be a mermaid, goddess kind of vibe. I was really inspired by one of Over the Moon Retreat's Zoom virtual classes. This week's virtual Zoom event, I actually had a class with Tor. He is a psychic medium and it was all about psychic development on the theme of living your purpose. Part of the class was a meditation session where we unlocked all of our chakras. It was beautiful, and then at the end of it we actually got to meet our spirit guide, which is something we created in our own minds, and that is something that I'm going to be creating today, bringing it to life. Today's purpose is all about finding your purpose. The voiceover will be all about how I found my purpose, hopefully inspire people that want to find their purpose or have found their purpose and don't know what to do with it. Maybe you're in a creative rut, or you have got to that point in your life where you're like, why am I here? Which I think a lot of us have that moment at some point in time. So I'm going to get on with painting now. It's a huge canvas. I've painted it all white, so I'm ready to go. Obviously I'm going to be speeding the video up so you don't have to watch the whole 2 to 3 hour painting session, but you can see how I get from start to finish, and hopefully you enjoy this video. See you in a bit. So I thought for this video it would only be right to express my passion for art through the visuals while discussing life purpose, a topic I was inspired to talk about after my wellness month with Over the Moon retreats. So what is purpose? Every day is a purpose to find or live your purpose. Some look for it in money, success, others in family, religion, but the only place you'll ever find true purpose is inside yourself. The thing that makes you feel whole, that releases your shoulders and creates a sense of freedom. I think we've all had moments where we question our place in the world. Where do I fit in? Who are my people? What am I destined to do? These questions are all part of human nature. There's so many paths and directions, and only we can choose which one to take. But I've always believed that there's no wrong or right. Even if the path feels wrong, it was still right. It can definitely be challenging to believe that we're all here for a purpose when there's so many ups and downs in life experiences. But don't you have to feel the downs to really feel the ups? And for me, that was definitely the case. As an artist and a woman of colour in a predominantly white town, I was brought up feeling misunderstood, which I think caused my anxiety. I wasn't fully supported when moving to London to pursue my dreams. I was then rejected while in London, so I had to work 3 extra jobs just to survive, while studying for a degree. Absolutely nothing was fulfilling my purpose. I was exhausted, and it made me consider giving up on my dreams, because money seemed to be the only thing that kept the world going round, and I had to make money to be part of the world. But fortunately I didn't give up. I learned to balance my passions with all the systematic norms that society created. I grafted through job to job that I hated, but I created art instead of sleeping. I fought through my anxiety and put myself out there, not realising that my struggle and my creativity was going to be understood by many. I was finally doing something that made me happy, even if it was just a stepping stone. I realised that success is different for everyone, and it doesn't come from your genes, because I believe we're all here for different reasons, and we all have different goals. I went from working to prove everybody around me wrong and show them that I could do it myself, to working to inspire and prove to myself that I could do it. It's all about intentions, you see, and that changed for me when I started living my truth for myself. The struggle is still there for me, finding my purpose and using it in the right way, and also overcoming creative blocks. Of course, I still have my doubts, anxieties, and days where I just want to give up. But whenever I lose my footing or my mind, I always take a step back, find new inspiration from other places, mostly off of the internet, in real life. For example, solo traveling, or more recently, rollerblading, helped me learn to be free again, to fight the fear. The experience of laughing, falling over, and feeling the wind in my hair also reminded me what it's like to be a child again, which then ignited my creativity for my artwork. It reminded me that the creative process is a process of surrender, not control. This is the same for someone who hasn't found their passion. You'll never find it by staying in your comfort zone, in the same place, doing all the things that you're used to doing. Take the pressures off and just start living. At the end of the day, you don't have to have it all figured out. As long as you're going in the right direction, following what you love, and doing what inspires you, the rest will follow. Surround yourself with inspirational people. Fill your social feeds with good influence and start enjoying yourself without any gains. Remember, your purpose is your purpose, so break the generational cycle. Normalize changing your mind and doing what scares you and those around you. Remember to keep your eyes wide open at all times, because it might be looking right at you. You have to find your passion, and passion leads to purpose. Ultimately, it's the thing that wakes you up in the morning, but remember, you don't just wake up and become a butterfly. It involves growth, hard work, that eventually transforms your arms into wings, and you can become your purpose. Voila! There she is, my spirit guide, spirit goddess. I am gonna go and hang her up now above my bed. Can't wait to put her up. So I waited until the morning to put my final painting up above my bed. It was a little bit dark last night, so I'm gonna put her up. I added some extra jewels on her face and around her waist, a little bit of twinkle, and she's complete. Make sure she's even. Yes! Yay! And there she is, my spirit guide, right above my bed. She's up in a new home. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video of me painting this masterpiece. I'm really happy with how she looks in my room. It's going to inspire me and hopefully guide me every time I look at it, when I come in my room, when I wake up, when I look up. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and got even a little bit of inspiration from it. See you in my next one. Bye!